Hey there, Windowers. Just doing a very quick audio check, only because I don't trust any of my streaming settings at the moment. So just please let me know if the audio is all okay. If everything's good to go, I'll be with you very shortly. I'll see you soon. Hey there, Windowers, and welcome to this week's live stream. And hello, I'm still alive. Look, I made it. I made it through COVID. I'm all better. Thank you so much for all your patience waiting for the next live stream. I know it's been a little bit of a wait, but it's so good to be back. I have missed everyone. I've missed our little Friday evening, what would you even call it? Friday evening technological destructive episodes and all the problems we usually have. But yeah, thank you so much for being here. It's nice to see everyone in chat. I've already seen plenty of people that I recognize who are regulars to the streams, so thank you all for being here. So let's just have a look who we've got. So we've got Johnny. Hi Johnny, he's a regular here. Solar Strike, hello to you. Hello to I'm Sword King and Nova. Pancake Sparkle, nice to see you back. True the Queen, again another regular, thank you for joining. We've got Martin32. Amadeo, thank you for being here. We've got Richard, again I recognize you from past streams, thank you for coming back. We've got Bowling, Zodus, who I also recognize as well, thanks for being here. Developer Luke, who I also recognize. I love this. We've got regulars, guys. I love it. Thank you so much for, well, thank you for enjoying this random content. I don't know what else to call it really. It's just a bit random, isn't it? Random and destructive. Even when it's not meant to be destructive, it's usually destructive. So yeah. Thanks for being here. I did also notice that we've got Dominic in chat as well, who I noticed was posting earlier on. So yeah, Dominic's our moderator in chat. So thanks, Dominic, in advance for all your help with moderating. And essentially, as I'm sure you can tell from the title of today's stream, we're going to be doing some Windows destruction. Now, this is something that we had planned, that there was actually a poll on YouTube. Probably months ago before I was ill. So yeah, this is something that we've been planning for a very long time, and Dominic is involved in this because actually it's Dominic that's done all the hard work behind the scenes to hopefully get all this working correctly. And by working correctly, I mean literally to the point where we're going to hopefully destroy Windows, which, I mean, it's not very nice, is it? We love Windows, but it's just a little bit of fun. So Windows, don't take it personally. And if you are a regular, you will also know that things will probably go wrong, because they always do in a Windows on Windows stream, even if they're not meant to. So even though we are doing destruction, and that is part of the plan, I'm sure there will be technological issues. But thankfully, again, if you're a regular, you'll know we usually manage to figure them out in no time at all. So don't panic. If something goes wrong, it's usually my fault. Usually all you good folk in the chat will help me work out what I've done wrong and we'll fix it. So yeah, so without further ado, shall we go to our first Windows installation? Now, just a little disclaimer for you, and in fact, let me just take you to the virtual machine. Yeah, so just a little disclaimer. We're going to be hopefully doing quite a lot of destruction. So we're going to be starting with Windows 11, which you can see here that I've already got installed. I've not had a chance to install all the other installations basically that we're going to be hopefully destroying. So Windows 11, which we'll start with, is already installed, as you can see, but for the basically for the other versions of Windows, we'll just have to install them as we go along, but hopefully it shouldn't take too long. So yeah, it's going to be a little bit fun. Bear with me, because like I said, and if you follow me, you'll know I've been ill for a while, so it's kind of weird being back, but in a good way. But I might just have to get used to it a little bit. But yeah, hopefully it will be fine. So yes, so again, Dominic, thank you for all your help with getting all this hopefully to work. I have a massive little, I mean, look, massive document here full of notes to hopefully make sure that I don't do anything wrong, because again, if you're a regular, you'll know usually Dominic gives me pretty good instructions and I just ignore them, or like I miss a step out and then I'm wondering what to do next, but actually he's already told me. So yes, let's hope that we won't have any of those issues today. Okay, so we're going to start with Windows 11. Now, the tools that we'll be using, like I said, Dominic has organized all of this. These are tools that are potentially incredibly destructive. So I'm assuming this is still true, Dominic. These tools are not going to be made available just for that reason alone, because obviously we don't want you to potentially destroy your own computer. I'm running this all in virtual machines that are not going to be connected to my actual PC, so there shouldn't hopefully be any issues with, you know, anything like security or anything like that. Solar Strike says I got a virus in January. How was that? Was everything okay? I hope you've still got your files, hopefully. Okay, so yeah, in Windows 11, so basically this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to follow Dominic's instructions, and then hopefully, if all goes well, you should see some destruction. So the first thing I need to do here is actually change the time zone. It's currently set to GMT+1, which is British summertime, which is where I currently am. And I know this is actually pretty early for some of you guys, so again, thanks for being here, because I know it's going to be the afternoon for a lot of you. So yeah, we're going to go change the time zone. We want to change this to plus 3.5 hours Tehran time, so let's do that now. So let's go here, we'll scroll down. This is a lot of time zones, so we want to go to this one. Okay, and then we also want to make sure that the date formatting is set to English UK. So let's just check this. In fact, this will be on the same page, wouldn't it? Surely. Maybe not. Maybe it's still in... See, Windows 11, I'm not up on this. Is it still in advanced settings? Maybe it's in the old control panel. Yeah, okay, so this should be good to go. Region is set to UK. Okay, perfect. So, okay, now we want to go to Windows Defender, and we just need to turn off some of the settings here, because otherwise it's going to try and stop what we're about to do. So let's search for Defender. We'll go here, and we want to turn off tamper protection and smart app control. Why is this app so slow? That's kind of worrying, isn't it? So yeah, we want to go here. We're going to go to, I don't even remember where this is actually. It's in one of these options here. Device security. I'm just guessing here. No. Virus and threat protection. I mean, this is so confusing, isn't it? Like, for an average user, really? Why are there so many options here? Okay, so tamper protection. Okay, so we want this off. Smart app protection. Smart app control. We want that off as well. I'm assuming this is going to be in the same place, but again, I'm not sure. Let's just have a look. Don't see it here. Dominic has said this is only in newer releases of Windows 11, so maybe it's something that's not in this build that I have currently installed. This is not an up-to-date build, so it could be that. Feel free to let me know, guys, if you know what I'm looking for here, but I'm guessing I don't have that option, so I'm going to move on for now, but obviously if anyone realizes, just let me know and I'll come back to it. Okay, so I'll just minimize that in case I want to go back there in a minute. Okay, so now we want to actually go to the files that Dominic has sent. Now I've already, hopefully, put these into an ISO file and attached it to the VM drive, so we can go straight to here. Yes, we can. So we'll go into this folder. Okay, so now here we want to go into step 2, which is here. And we should have some .NET files that we need to extract here. Or maybe not. Go into step 2. Wait, have I done this right? Go into step 2. That's going to be in one of these, surely. Step 1 to 3. Bonus content. I'm going to check if it's in here. No. Hang on, let's check one of these other folders. Ah, okay, here we go. So step 2, extract the .NET. Okay, is this definitely the right version? Okay, that step 2 folder should be, I think, in here as well, but it's not there. Dominic, any ideas? Have I got a folder missing? It looks like. Okay, so install 7-zip, yeah. So I don't need to install .NET for this. Maybe, maybe not. Oh, no, you're right. Okay, Dominic, no, you're right. I've missed a step. See, guys, didn't I say I literally cannot follow instructions and I don't know why? Okay, Dominic is correct. I have missed a step. Okay, we have to install this first. That actually makes sense. Okay, so we install 7-zip. Now we go into decontrol. Okay, see, look, it makes sense when you follow the instructions. So now we want to run this. Okay, I'm just going to extract this here. Now this should disable Defender, if all goes well. Let's see, can I remember the right password? No. What is the password here? Okay, let's come back to that. Is there a link here to a file with a password in? Let's see. I'm going to guess it's going to be in notes. Let's have a look. Oh, thanks, Dominic. He's told me already. I'm guessing it's going to be in here, though. Am I right? So let's just ignore that for now. We'll go back here. Okay, perfect. No major problems so far. I mean, it's definitely been worse. Right. Did that extract that file? Yeah, I think it did, but I've got loads of things. I think I've got my icons hidden on my desktop. Yeah, here we go. So we're going to go into here. Okay. So now if we run this, this will hopefully disable Defender. Or maybe not. Okay, next problem. Defender knows that this is trying to disable it. So I must have missed something in here. So what else do we have to turn off here? Let's just double check this. I mean, guys, does anyone use Defender on Windows 11? Is it just me, or there are so many options in this app? It's really confusing. Like, why are there so many tabs? Manage settings. So let's just turn all of this off, because that's what I would do. Because Defender drives me up the wall, so I would probably do this anyway. Let's turn all that off. And that. Okay. I have no idea if this will help, but let's find out. Okay, let's try this again. Okay. Okay, I think that helped. Right, so let's disable Windows Defender. Okay. Perfect. Okay, so done that. Okay. Right, so now we want to go out of this. Back here. Okay, now we can install the .NET frameworks that we need, now that I'm following the instructions in the right order. Always helps. Okay, let's do that. So let's go back here. It was this one. Step 2. Okay, step 3, install .NET. Okay, let's open this. Samuel makes a good point. The more difficult this process is, it means, theoretically anyway, that Windows 11 is safer. I mean, yeah, that is a good point. It should be difficult, shouldn't it, really? If it's doing its job well, in terms of security, it should be a difficult process to get all this security protection out of the way. So yeah, it's actually, it's a good sign, really, isn't it? I think. Right, let's just let it do this. Dominic is shouting at me, read the notes. Okay, I'm going to read the notes. Extract the .NET zip and use the... Okay, use the batch file. Okay, thanks, Dominic. I should read the notes. One day I'll learn to do this without having to be reminded. Okay, let's extract this here. We'll use the batch file. Has anyone noticed, by the way, how slow my Windows 11 VM is? If you were watching I think it was the last stream we looked at a Windows 11 build, and yeah, it was really slow. It's not always been slow. So I don't know why it's now randomly choosing to do that. Okay, right, let's use the batch file, as the instructions do say. So yeah, thanks again, Dominic, for reminding me to actually follow the instructions. Okay. Right, so we want to install .NET 3.5 and 2.0. Okay, and we're going to need the Windows installation disk. Okay, I will sort that now, because I'm pretty sure... In fact, do I have a Windows 11 disk? I'm sure I do. Okay. Apologies in advance, I'm just going to make myself full screen for a minute. Sorry about that. Just so I can do this. So, let's go here. And then... Windows 11, yes, I do have a Windows 11 ISO. Okay. Let's just check it's expected it to be in the D drive. Yes, okay, that looks good to go. Let's hope. Fingers crossed, guys, because again, this could go wrong. Usually caused by me. In the meantime, let's pour some tea, shall we? I'll try not to spill it like I usually do. I usually spill it everywhere. Right, enabling features. This looks promising. Anyway. So how is everyone's Friday? In the meantime, I'm waiting for this. Let me know. Have you had any amazing, exciting things happening today on your Friday or not? Personally, I haven't. And I'm guessing that is not meant to happen. Great. Great. There we go. Look, didn't I say? Didn't I say? In fact, I should have done this. I mean, come on. We should have expected that. I don't think we've ever had a stream without a technical problem. Okay, nobody panic. I don't have a time limit today, so we've got plenty of time. We'll try that again and hope that it was just a blip that time. Right, let's just try that again. Good old Windows, don't we love it? We love it, don't we? Right, while I'm waiting for this to reappear, let's just see what's next on this list. So we want to install the .NET, and then I think that is the last step, actually. Then we can actually run the thing to hopefully destroy everything. Right, let's try this again. So let's go back here. And this was on the desktop, right? I've just hidden the icons, so that's okay that we can go this way. So desktop, it was .NET, which is here. Okay, let's try this again. What's going on? Did it even open? I'm sure it opened. Where did it go? Oh, no. Windows, come on, don't do this to me. Not today. Come on, it's the weekend. Make it easy for us. Oh, no. Oh, admin. Okay, we need admin for it. Did I do that last time? It's just being really slow, I think. Yeah, it is. Oh, my gosh. Right. Fingers crossed. Let's try this again. So yeah, anyway, I'm trying to think, is there any news that I can talk about that's really exciting? Not really. Not like literally, I've just been, because I've been ill, I've not really done anything. So I had COVID and I was suffering with that for probably, maybe, I had a really bad headache. The headache, oh my God, that went on for about maybe 2 weeks. It was ridiculous. I was taking so many painkillers, which is also not good, is it? Right, did that actually finish? Because that looked like it gave an error, didn't it? Let's just check this again. There was some sort of error, but I don't know whether that was an important error or whether that was just a random Windows error and actually everything's okay. Let's just find out. Dominic says it could be the incompatible ISO. Okay, let's do it this way. Right, let's do this. Ah, thanks Pancake Sparkle, who says it said the source files could not be found. Could be a different format ISO maybe. Yeah. Thanks for joining True the Queen. Hope to see you again. And have a good day. Have a good rest of your Friday. So yeah, anyway. Oh look, now that I say that, it's almost finished. But anyway, at least let's be thankful for the positives here. We've not had any audio problems. That has happened sometimes, so that's good, right? That's good to go. No buffering issues, I don't think. No echo issues. We've also had a couple of those quite regularly. Again, all my fault. But yeah, not today. So there are positives here. Nova says eating some gravy. That's like half a sentence? Are you meaning that you're eating gravy? Do you eat gravy or do you drink gravy? Asking all the important questions here. I'm Sword King says, today's stream is going good except for Windows 11. I see what you did there. Sassy. That's sassy, that is. Right, so Nova, okay, Nova's eating gravy. Okay. How do you eat gravy? How do you do that? What, you mean like with a fork? Or what? See, I'm just trying to imagine this. If I just had gravy and that was my food, I would probably put it in a glass and drink it. Oh, with chicken. Oh, okay. Oh, so you're having like a meal with gravy. Okay, that makes more sense. That does make more sense. I have a feeling as well that actually Windows 11, this is going to be the slowest one just because it's Windows 11 and it's never agreed with my... I don't know, I'm guessing VirtualBox. Not VirtualBox, what am I trying to say? VMware. I don't, yeah, on VMware, Windows 11, I've always found it's just not performed very well for me, whereas other versions of Windows do, so I don't know whether it's some VM settings that I'm not setting up right, but I have tried lots of different combinations, but I just can't seem to get it to actually be very responsive. I don't know whether it's just me or not. So yeah, I have a feeling this will be the slowest one, but after 11, hopefully things should be, again, fingers crossed here, hopefully, technically, nothing should be slow, right? Ultra says, I love tech things and enjoy playing around with Windows on VirtualBox. How do you get Windows 11 to run on VirtualBox and VMware? Well, VMware, for example, if you just download an ISO from the internet, it will choose all the, well, apparently it will choose all the optimized settings for you. So with VMware, it basically sets up the whole machine for you using what it thinks are the best settings. But I mean, you can customize them if you want to, but I tend to just go with what it suggests. Solar Strike says, what version of VMware? It's the latest one. Latest one. Although it could be, this is the Mac OS version, so I don't know whether that has been, like, I don't know whether the updates for the Mac version, like, correspond or come out at the same time as the Windows one. I'm not sure. It could just be a little bit behind, maybe. Don't know. Just excuse me a moment. If you're a regular, you'll know that I have allergies. And I usually have to wipe my nose all the time. Never have allergies. It's not helpful. Just don't. Doesn't help with anything. Sulfur says, how is my Friday going? Very well, thank you for asking. How is yours? Richard says, do you think they'll bring back the live tiles in Windows 11? I don't think so. Microsoft don't tend to backtrack on stuff a lot, do they? Unless there's like a massive, massive uproar about something they've done. Like with Windows 8, for example, with full screen start. But yeah, live tiles, I don't think so. How large is the .NET framework? Is this being serious? Like, what? Come on, .NET 3.5. Someone Google this. Find the page on Microsoft's website. How big is it? Not big. It's not. And this is not my internet connection, because you'd know about it if it was, because the stream would die. So I don't know why it's deciding to take this long to download it. That's just Solar Strike says, after this stream, I'll be experimenting with my 98 machine, running new OSs up until maybe early 8 builds. It's a P3 system. Are you doing that on stream? If so, I might come and join. Ah, finally, it's installing. This is what we want. Ah, thanks, Pancake. It's 231.5 megabytes. See, that's not that big, is it, really? Okay, well, at least it managed to successfully install them, right? So come on, small gains here. That's good. Okay, now I think we're ready, right? Because actually that installs the Net Framework 2 at the same time. Okay, so let's check. So go into extra content. Okay, so let's go back to the ISO file. I'm just gonna go full screen again here. I mean, not that I have any files to hide, but just in case, confidentiality. Right, let's go back to this. Okay, and then back here. Right, so now I want to go to egg, bonus content. Okay, and I think it's this folder, but I'm just going to check. Yes, the back again and the first coming. Extract this with 7-zip. Specifically with 7-zip. Okay, let's do that now. So open with, I mean, it would have been helpful if 7-zip was there, but okay, I can, no, Windows, it's fine. I can cope without that. I'll do it myself. Okay, so we want to find 7-zip. That will be in here. Okay. Extract this here. Okay, password. Dominic, I'm assuming this is the same as the password for the other version. I'm about to find out. Yes, okay. Oh, see, look, all good so far. See, I can do it. Everyone, just keep your fingers crossed. That's the most successful I've been so far today with anything I've tried doing. Okay, perfect. So now go into the extracted directory, which is here. Run backagain.bat. Okay. Let's go down here. Some of these icons look very suspicious. Okay, making sure to accept the user account control prompts, of course. Okay. Press any key. Yes. Okay, now we're going to run. And in fact, actually, I'm just going to check. I'm going to disconnect this machine from the internet, from the network. Because I'm not sure I've even done that. Let's actually do that because, yeah, I don't want any problems with any of this on my actual PC. Yeah, okay. So, yes. Okay, I think we're ready. Let's find out. Why is this open twice? Yeah. Wow, I mean, there's some amazing chiptunes happening, so this is a good sign. Dominic, what was that Easter egg? I just saw my name there. I hope it was something nice that you had to say about me. Okay. Press any key to continue. I've turned off the network. Yes, I have. What music is this? I love this. Can you hear this? Can you hear it okay? Hopefully you can. Dominic, you should be able to actually get the sounds from the VM. Can you let me know. Let me know if you can hear this amazing chiptune music. Dominic, I'm noticing some rather dubious choices of words here with some of these directories you're using. Okay, any errors? Do I ignore these? I'm assuming I just ignore them. Or do I click stuff? I guess not. I guess I don't click anything. Okay. So yeah, actually, any sounds from the VM, they should be passed through to you. Because I did check this earlier. Because like I said, I don't trust any of my OBS settings anymore because we've had a few problems recently. But I did check it and it was working. Let me check. Is my volume set to a sensible level? Yeah, I think so. Dominic says we only hear your VM sounds via your speaker. That's weird because it was working earlier. I'm going to check this a second because I'm sure... I'm not sure. I'll tell you what we can do actually. Let's do a quick experiment. I'm going to mute myself. If the music comes back, I'm going to mute myself and then we can check whether it's like whether you can still hear it even though I'm muted, because then we'll know whether it's coming through my microphone or not. Let's do that. Okay. Any more music, I'm going to mute myself and we'll do that little experiment to find out whether it truly is coming through my microphone or not. Oh wow, nice taskbar. I love that shade of yellow. Love that. What on earth is this? Dominic, what is this? Is this the Aero? Is this Aero light? Oh my gosh. I mean, wow, these colours are very, very 80s, aren't they? What on earth? I actually am kind of scared about clicking anything. Like, I don't know whether I should click anything or just let it do what it's doing. I think I'm just going to let it do this because it looks like it's going to do it anyway. Wow. I don't know what to say. But I mean, that theme is, those colors are something, aren't they? I mean, that really is. Hi, I am an Albanian virus, but because of poor technology in my country, unfortunately, I'm not able to harm your computer. Oh my god. Oh no, I can't. No, I can't do this today. Welcome to hell. Okay. Okay, I'm just going to close this and see what happens. Let's close this. What could possibly go wrong? Oh no. Because I'm just thinking, right, you know, if you were just like a regular PC user and you saw all this crap on your computer, you would just close everything, right? That's what you do naturally. You just be like, oh yeah, it's fine. I'm just going to close all these pop-ups, get back to my desktop. Everything will be fine. Nothing to worry about. Let's just go and Google something. Not play Monopoly. Although that's very tempting, actually. Bill Gates Monopoly. No, let's not play that. This is a stubborn one. This Windows is a stubborn one. Right, no, I'm not very good at Minesweeper either, so let's close that as well. No. I can't. I'll just embarrass myself playing Minesweeper. Bouncy mouse. I love that. Right, so what happens if you click on stuff? Let's see. What if let's go to Explorer. Let's go, not there. Let's go to a normal Explorer window. Oh my gosh, I think I clicked on widgets by accident. That's not helpful. I mean, look at these colours. I just can't. This is so... That shade of yellow is okay. That's like a mustard yellow, right? But with pink, that's not actually a very good combination, is it? What's all this stuff down here? Can I close these windows? Does anyone speak Spanish? Because I don't, and I don't know what that says. Would anyone like to translate this? Feel free. So yeah, I'm going with, again, the logic of being a regular user. I would just close all these apps and then everything should be fine, right? Oh no, now I can't right click though. Now I can't right click on anything. Okay, let's do it this way. That one doesn't close. Why is that? Oh no. Anyone that speaks Spanish? I have some more Spanish for you to translate here, if you'd like to, because I don't know what that says. Oh, it's gone now anyway. Oh my gosh. Eric says, I just got here, but I assume you're doing this in a VM. That would be disastrous if somehow you actually dragged one of those viruses onto your actual computer. Yes, you're right, Eric. This is a VM. Definitely. There was an English one then. This is so weird. What even... I really wish that I could actually read Spanish. Although I'm sure it's not that interesting, even if I could. It appears if you try and close this one, it just respawns new windows. So, okay, that one doesn't close at all. Okay, that's fine. You can stay there. No worries. No worries. Let's have a look in the start menu anyway. I just can't get over these colours. I really can't. Okay, how about let's talk to Cortana? Oh, obviously we've got to sign in. Let's see if I can remember actually my burner account password. Let's see. Let's see. Oh yeah, we're not on the internet, are we? Oh, obviously. Okay, well I guess I won't use Cortana then. Let's do something a bit more trivial.
I am a robot from outer space.
Okay. Let's go to calculator. That's very trivial. Okay, we'll pop you there. Right, what else can we open? Let's open Solitaire. Let's just do that. Okay. What about Winver? Let's open Winver. Oh no. I guess we can't open Winver. Okay, let's try it this way. Okay, let's go to Windows Terminal. Let's try opening it this way. Window. There we go. Okay. Anyone up for some Solitaire? Oh, we can't, can we? I don't think we can play. Can we play it offline? Can I just get a basic version? Oh, okay. That's fine. Right, let's change the cards. Lovely. We'll have the Windows 10 anniversary cards. Okay, perfect. Yeah, draw one. I don't want a timer because that puts pressure on me. Yeah, that is fine. Okay. Let's play Solitaire. I literally can... I don't even know if I can see these cards properly. Oh my god. Right, okay, so... I mean, this is actually quite difficult when you can't identify the colours very easily, so... That works, right? And then... So does that. All those royal cards are red ones. Oh no. Oh, come on. I was enjoying myself then. It's closed it as well. Great. Windows rave, anyone? Quick, someone put on the Windows welcome music. Oh, it's still open. Okay, is it? Yeah. Okay. Right. Let's just carry on as if nothing happened. That's fine. Right. What do we need? None of these. Oh, an ace that can go there. Right. What else? Oh, another one. Perfect. 2. Perfect. Yes. Look, we're making progress. This is progress. That king can go there. What? Why is that coming up now? Go away. Yeah, okay. That is a red queen, which we can't put anywhere. Helpful. In fact, can I undo that? Yeah, because look, let's put this king here. Then we can move that there. Okay, I have no idea if that actually helped at all, but let's just go with that anyway. Right, so... Another ace. I mean, to be fair, if you just wanted to play Solitaire, this is actually quite doable. Even with all this crap going on. I mean, it's definitely slow. But then my VM was quite slow anyway, so... Right, so another ace. Okay. Ooh, okay, we needed that. Yeah, black queen, perfect. Right, what else? 2, yeah, that's good. That can go there. And so can that 3. Oh, see, we're making progress now. Okay, right, 7. That 10 can go there. That can go there. Do you know what? I think we might win this one. You know. Okay. This is very promising. Right, what do we need now? We need like a jack or a king or something. Okay, jack. Yeah, that can go there. Perfect. That can go there. Another 10. Why is there now a sound of a flowing waterfall, Dominic? There's some sort of... Why does that sound like water running somewhere? I have no idea. Oh, I've just noticed that the whole of Winver just says welcome to hell. Wow, okay. That's nice. Oh, no, let me finish my game. No, please don't sign me out. I need to finish my game first. We're going to win. We're going to win. Right, okay, no pressure, but I think we need to hurry up here because I don't know how long we've got left. Let's see. Okay, that can go there. That can go there. Right. A 3. 9. Yeah, that can go there. That can go there. Okay, 3 of diamonds. Yeah, that goes there. 8 of hearts. That's 7 can go there. 6. Yeah, I'll take that as well. 3. That's not useful. 4 of clubs. That can go there. Okay. Right, what have we got left? 7. Another king. Yeah. That can go there. That can go there. Okay, this is very promising. Famous last words. 2, yes. What's going on here? Okay, yeah. Oh, no. No. No, please don't close it. We've literally got moments left. Moments. Oh, no. Oh, please. Let me finish this one game. Oh, no. Okay. You know what? I think we may have a problem here. I have a feeling it doesn't like the window being maximized. Right. C5. Okay, that's fine. We can play it here. We can play it here. It's fine. Okay. Right. 9. 5. 8. Why does it keep moving it all the way down here? That's so annoying. Why does it have to be down there? Move it up here. Okay. 4. Yes, that can go in my pile. 4. Oh no, I don't have a 3. Oh, there's the 3. Okay. That can go there. Okay, and the 4. Yes. 8. Has anyone ever tried this, by the way, finishing a game of Solitaire while your computer's being destroyed by viruses? Has anyone ever tried that? It's quite stressful. I don't really recommend it. What if I hold it? No, I can't hold it around. What is that? That's an 8. I need to get rid of this somehow. But how? Can I stack some of these up here? Yes, if it stops moving. Okay, that can go there. Do you know what I really need that I don't remember? And I don't know if it even exists in this version of Solitaire. A shortcut to get all the cards that can be moved into their correct places. That would save a lot of time here. Is there a shortcut for that here? I don't think so. I mean, the hints kind of work. That saves a bit of time. Anything else? Yeah, what else? That can go there. That can go there. Oh my gosh, stop coming up with this message. Oh, okay, there's a 5. Okay, that's the 5. What on earth? That is the 5, isn't it? Oh no, that's a 6. Okay. Yeah. Oh, hang on. I think we want to put that back. We want to put this 8 back here. To get that 7 there. Okay. Right, what now? 6. Okay, that can go straight there. A 9. Oh no! Oh no! Oh my gosh. I think that's it. We lost. I think we lost. I think we did, you know. I don't think that's coming back. I've got a feeling. Let's try Alt-Tab. Oh wait, that's for the Mac though, isn't it? Oh, come on. That's just stupid, that is. Let's go back here. What is the... I don't even know what VMware has assigned the Alt-Tab shortcut to be for the Windows virtual machine. Maybe this? Oh, yeah. No, it's gone. Solitaire's gone. That's it. We're never going to finish that game. And I'm going to have to live with that for the rest of my life. Wow. Okay. Right, now, anyway, I think Dominic did say, actually, that Windows 11 may survive this attack. He had a feeling that it may survive, but he would like to be proven wrong. I think that's what you said, Dominic, isn't it? So, I'm guessing that there could be no end to this. So we may have to decide at some point how long we want to wait to see if Windows 11 actually can be destroyed or not. So yeah. I mean, these colours, I'm never going to forget. I'll never forget this. Never. Oh, Dominic says this is the end. Oh, okay. So what happens now? Like, what happens? Does it blue screen or what? Oh, there is an end. Okay. So what happens in the end? Do we just get a blue screen and it doesn't boot, or what? Or do I have to wait to find out? Maybe. I mean, this does look like things are slowly disappearing, aren't they? Because now there's no taskbar or anything. It's just massive pink background. Oh, there it is. Oh, okay. It's back. And it's gone again. The Solar Strike says it sounds like a phone ring. Yeah, it does, doesn't it? Like a really annoying one that doesn't stop. Oh yeah, actually, I was going to test that, wasn't I? Okay, I'm going to mute my microphone. Just see if you can still hear the sound when I'm muted. Then we can work out whether you can actually, whether it's passing through or not. Let's do that quickly. How did that go? No sound on mute. Oh, well, I don't know why it's doing that. Why is it? I tested it so many times as well, and it was working. That's so annoying. Why is that? It's definitely set to use the right source, I think. Let's check this. I'm going to check this here. Sound output. Yeah, okay, it's definitely using the right output device. Unless somehow the VM is outputting to the wrong output device. I don't even know if that's possible. It could be, I suppose. Let's have a look. Oh, okay. Redirect. Okay, redirect to this. Okay. Let's try this again. Can you still hear this when I mute myself? I think it should be working for you now, shouldn't it? Now, the only problem now is I can't hear it. Even though, again, I checked this earlier to make sure I could and it was working, so now I don't know why I can't hear it either. Bizarre. Yeah, I don't know. Not sure. Why do I keep minimizing that window? That's also very annoying. Okay, while we wait for this to slowly destroy itself, I'm going to actually check these sound settings, which I swear I set up correctly already, but let's just double check this. So, let's move this over here. Ooh, we've got activity though. What's going on? Hey, there we go. There we go. That could be the end. Use this device for sound. Ooh, okay. Use this device for sound output. I think that's what I want. Okay, I think I've actually fixed the sound now, so I should be able to hear this as well. But now we're going to need sound to actually test this out. Okay, so yeah, there's the blue screen. Okay, so let's restart the VM. We'll see whether it has survived or not. Let's do that now. What do we think? Probably not. Let's find out. I need to fix that chat on screen as well, don't I? Because I put the chat there, but the formatting, I mean, that text is way too small. I need to fix that for next time. Right, so, is it actually, it looks like it might actually boot, you know. Although those colours are definitely not right, are they? That's definitely weird. So it appears to have survived round 1. Right, Dominic, so am I right in assuming that now if we boot back in, there'll be round 2? Ooh, I like that colour as well. Look at that. It's like a burnt orange. Love it. Not with pink, though. That pink was something else. That just looks dubious, doesn't it? Explorer.exe. Interesting. Right. Okay, so are there any sounds at the moment? Because I can't hear anything. Let's just see if I go back to this. No, I don't think there are any sounds, are there? Someone may have to just let me know in chat if there are any sounds. Just let me know, because I can't hear anything. Although Pivotman says that they can hear sounds, so maybe I literally still can't hear it for some reason. Use this for sound output. So yeah, why can I not hear the sounds now? What is going on? And why did this work earlier when I checked it? Built-in output, that's definitely right. Weird. Very weird. Not sure. It's not the volume, is it? No, it's on max volume, so it's not that. Input. No, it's not output. Yeah, right. Built-in output. That's, yeah, it's definitely on the right settings. I have no idea. Maybe OBS is interfering with the settings that I made. Don't know. Not sure. Oh, hang on. Now I can hear it. Oh, okay. Now I hear sounds, but not from the virtual machine. Okay, I think I fixed it for myself. Now I can hear it's like a static sound. I think I've done it. Okay, I'm just going to mute myself. Just let me know if you can still hear the noises when I mute myself. One more time. Yeah, I think I fixed it. Am I right? Oh, no. I think at the moment there are no sounds, so that actually doesn't help. Yeah, I don't think there are any sounds now, are there? Anyway, let's actually have a look at what's going on here. Well, there's purple this time. Nice choice of colour, by the way. Whoever chose that. Don't know if it was you, Dominic, or some random virus, but yeah, nice. Nice colour. Not that I'm biased. Right, so we've got bouncy paint. That's nice. Can we paint something, maybe? Let's try. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at that. I should have been an artist. I want to change to this purple colour here. Oh, no. I can't write anything, though. Oh, never mind. I tried. I tried. Right, now I'm just paranoid about this sound. There's definitely no sound now, is there? Maybe I can try and play something in here. Shall I? Do I dare try this? Let's try. What would be the easy way? Not Spotify, because I'd have to log in. Windows Media Player? Oh no, this is I mean, this is almost not usable. Okay, Windows Media Player. Enter. I have a feeling... Ah, there we go. There was a sound. Okay. So I can definitely hear the sounds now. We just need to work out whether you can hear them when my microphone's not on. And then we'll be sorted. Yeah, I don't think, I don't think I'm going to be able to open Windows Media Player, though. I just have a feeling that's not going to work. What do you think? Thanks for joining Solar Strike. Have a good evening. Okay, Johnny and I'm Sword King say that, yeah, the sounds are playing. Are you sure it's not coming from the microphone, though? That's the only thing I'm not sure about. I mean, this is amazing. Actually, that would be a really nice abstract wallpaper, that, wouldn't it? Someone take a screenshot of this, please, and post it in the Discord. I'd love that as wallpaper. I'm pressing space, Dominic. Oh, are you telling me to do it for the sound? Ah, yes. Ah, perfect. Well, thank you all for your help with the sound, so we should be good to go now. So, in fact, I'm actually going to write this down. So, I need to have the audio device set to this one that I've called OBS. So, audio set to OBS, because if I don't write this down, I'm going to forget it for next time. Perfect. And then the VM, I don't need to have that set to anything specific. It should just come through. Okay, perfect. Output is OBS. Perfect. Okay, anyway, so yeah, I was trying to draw the Windows logo very crudely in Paint, but that didn't work. So let's just get rid of that. Can we close this? Don't think so. I think it's past the point of being able to close it, unfortunately. Yes, Dominic, I can hear the sounds. I can. Definitely. I mean, this is kind of like relaxing a little bit, isn't it? You know what I mean? Just watching this, kind of relaxing. I like the bouncy mouse as well. That's quite jolly, isn't it? Let's try opening File Explorer. Why not? Bouncy start menu. Nice. I mean, to be fair, okay, hang on. Let's open Notepad. Could you actually get some work done while this was happening? That's what I want to find out. Let's go here. Just because it's a Notepad file, that'd be easy to open. Let's go here. Let's just imagine, okay, I want to do some word processing, but unfortunately I've got this massive virus. Oh, that's not going to work. Okay, right. Let's open WordPad. Wait, is WordPad even still a thing? Am I going? I think I'm going crazy now. Is WordPad still a thing? Yeah, I'm right, aren't I? It is. Yeah, please, someone tell me. If it is, it's not being found. Neither's Notepad though. Okay. Oh no, the search is not working. Okay, no, it's fine. We'll go into the start menu. Okay, I guess we won't because now it's not there anymore. Thank you, Dominic and Dr. Frankenstein, for reminding me that WordPad is still a thing and I'm not going crazy. Okay. So I think the conclusion is that if you have a virus to this extent, you cannot do any word processing. You're probably better off getting a typewriter or another computer. Whatever you prefer. I mean, the taskbar is here, but it's just empty, kind of. Oh, there we go. It's back now. Right, come on. Let's try this again. So we want to go to start, all apps, yeah, and then we want to go to, what's it called these days? Windows accessories? Windows tools? I can't even remember. I think it's Windows tools. Windows tools. Yeah, and then open this. Oh wait, that's administrative tools though, isn't it? So we don't want that. We want not that. This is actually, believe it or not, quite difficult to even click on stuff. You'd never would have thought that, would you? So yeah, now I've just opened administrative tools three times, which is not helpful. So no, we don't want that. We want to go here, all apps. Okay. Yeah, where is it? Where do they put accessories these days? Oh, well, notepad's here. That'll do. Okay, notepad. That's fine. Let's open notepad. Did I open it? Did I successfully? Yes. Okay, perfect. Okay, let's maximize this. Maximize. Oh, why is that in the front now? Go away. Go away. I don't want Windows tools. I want notepad. Right. Oh, here we go. Look. Okay, let's do some word processing, shall we? So, okay. I literally can't see anything that I'm typing. This is not a good sign. Oh, wait, is it even typing in here? I have no idea. Let's just, okay. Ah, here we go. Okay. This is my very important document. It would be literally a matter of life or death if I lost this, or if it was otherwise inadvertently destroyed by, oh, I don't know, a virus or something like that. Maybe I should save this, actually, just in case. Okay, let's save this. Okay, file, save. Wow, this is like a really bad eye test. File, save. You've got to time it just right. Save. Or save as, that'll do. Oh no, I don't think I can save it. That's it. That is all my hard work gone. Oh no, I can. Okay, panic over. Okay, let's save it to the desktop. Yeah, okay, let's call it important file. There we go. Look, so you can actually get some work done. You can. Look at that. So any homework or schoolwork, you're fine. Don't worry. Just don't go on the internet. I definitely wouldn't do that. Don't connect to any networks. No, let's not save that. That didn't really go to plan, that logo. Oh, Dominic says you need to keep moving the mouse in small circles to keep it in place. Oh, okay. Oh, thanks. I didn't know that. Well, I can click on stuff now, right? Why? What? Automatic update? What the hell is this doing here? This is so weird. Why is this here? What on earth? Okay. Is this a fake automatic updates dialog box? Oh my god. I can't do this anymore. This is literally a fake XP style automatic updates dialog box, right? Oh god. Okay. Oh my god, and now there's a fake Vista one as well. Oh no, I can't. Oh no. It literally even has the back and forward buttons, like in the Aero Wizards. Wow, that's amazing. Oh, thanks, Dominic, for the handy tip. Press space to select buttons. Okay. What on earth? Oh my god, this is like the Vista getting started window, kind of, as well. Oh my gosh. Really? Wow, that was something. That really was. Right, okay. So that was round 2, yeah, Dominic. I mean, that was kind of actually a little bit more entertaining than I thought it was going to be honest. That's good. That is very good. Right. Okay, so it's preparing automatic repair. So it may have... Is it still bootable? Or has it actually broken itself? Or we don't want to do automatic repair, so let's just restart this. Let's just check whether it can boot without repairing first. If it can't, then yeah, we'll go through automatic repair. Let's see. Okay, right. Let's let it do automatic repair then. And let's see if that helps. Ooh, do you know what I really feel like that I have, but not with me? A mint. I might have to have a short refreshment break in a moment to get some mints. Just got a craving, you know what I mean? Like for a mint. Mint Imperial. Is that a British thing, Mint Imperials? I don't know. Is that a British thing? I'm not sure. Right. Everything Windows is here. Thanks for joining. At 2:19 AM. RC, you're a person after my own heart, because I would be awake at 2:19 AM watching random YouTube videos as well. That's what I do all the time. I love it. Right. Okay, so automatic repair couldn't repair your PC. Okay. I think we're done then. I think Windows 11 did not survive. Unfortunately, or maybe fortunately, depending on your opinion. So yeah, there we go. Windows 11 is officially dead now. So, shall we move on to our next victim? So, I'm just going to set this VM up in the meantime, then have a lovely full screen view of my face. Wait, in fact, have I even pressed the right button? Yeah, webcam, because sometimes I press the wrong button. So yeah, let's set up. So what I need to do is I just need to change to a different VM and then recapture that correct window in OBS for this to work. Otherwise, you're just going to see garble. So that's why I've just gone back to myself full screen for a minute, so you don't have to see all this garbly stuff going on. Yeah, so we want to go here. Now, I did set up another virtual machine ready to install 98 in. So that is here. Let's just recapture this window in OBS and put the ISO in. Let's do that first. So Windows version 4, Windows 9X. Okay, connect. Perfect. Okay, gonna recapture the window. So, oh wait, actually I can't do this without you seeing it anyway. I've just realized I'm just being stupid, because I'm gonna have to go to VMware here, which at the moment is nothing, and then we want to go there. Okay, there we go. Right, let's just make myself appear down here. Did you miss me while I was gone? Right, so okay, so now let's go to startup disk, CD, restart. Okay, what could possibly go wrong? Why is it stuck now? It looks stuck. This is not a good sign, is it? Why is it stuck here? That's just random. Okay. Let's try that again. I don't know why it's decided to just freeze at this point. Okay, CD, restart. What on earth? Why? What is it doing? Why is it getting stuck here? Restart. What? I mean, okay, this is a new one. This is a new one for me. I've not ever had this before. Okay, let's try without the CD in the drive. No, literally, it's just gonna literally get stuck there every time. Okay, right. Let's set up a new virtual machine. Maybe let's do that. So let's go back to the library. Okay, just bear with me a second because I'm just going to reset this up again, but you're probably not going to see anything. So create a new virtual machine. Okay, we want this set to... I'm going to set this to Windows 98, yeah. Okay. New hard disk. Customize settings because it always chooses really stupid amounts of RAM. Yeah, we'll just save that there. Okay. Right, so let's go here. I'm going to give this a bit more than that. Maybe 512. Yeah, and then compatibility. Remove the camera because it's going to complain about that. Okay, compatibility. Let's put this back a little bit. So back to maybe about... yeah. Okay, apply. There was an error changing the hardware version. Okay, well, let's just see because that might actually not matter. Okay, let's just try this anyway. Right, so Windows 9X. Okay, connect CD. Okay. Now I'm actually going to recapture this window as well so that you can see what I'm doing. So we want Windows 98. Right, let's see if this has helped that bizarre problem. Restart from CD. Okay. Yeah, I have no idea why it was doing that. That's just weird, isn't it? But it appears to have fixed itself now, so there we go. Okay, so we want to boot from... It didn't even give me a chance to choose then. Okay, hang on, let's do this again. Oh my gosh, right. Boot from CD-ROM, because there's nothing on the hard drive, so... Let's... Come on, we need to set up Windows 98 the good old-fashioned way. I mean, this is always fun, if you've ever done this. Right, so... So we need to run fdisk first. We'll create a DOS partition, primary partition, set it as active. Yeah, okay, then restart because we have to do that even though it's really annoying. So let's do that again, restart, okay. Then we want to boot from CD-ROM again with CD-ROM support. Okay, then we want to go to Format C. Oh, okay. Do we not have that? Okay. Format C. Why? Hang on. Why can I not do this now? Oh, I tell you why. I think it's because this is a modified ISO file, and I think it does all this for you. Yeah, it does. Okay. Dominic, I'm assuming it doesn't matter whether I install first edition or second edition, but I'll just check with you anyway, just in case. But I don't think it will matter. But let me know which one would you like me to choose. Windows Millennium, anyone? Anyone? Anyone feeling nostalgic for Windows Me? Okay, Dominic says it doesn't matter. Okay, well, I'll tell you what. Why don't we do first edition? Because I install second edition a lot. So why not? Okay, yeah, look, here's the format command. Right, let's let it format that. Has anyone ever done this formatting it on real hardware for Windows 9X? Because it takes an incredible amount of time. It's actually amazing how long it takes. Right, I'm just going to write this key down so that I can type it in the setup in a moment. I know this is not very exciting. Sorry about that, but this is important because otherwise we literally can't set it up. Okay, perfect. Press it here. Okay. What? I mean... Why? I mean, what did I do? What did I do? Okay, shall we try that again? Okay, I guess let's not install first edition. Let's try second edition, shall we? Right. Yes, let's format it again. Oh my gosh. I mean, what was the point in that? Oh, everything Windows says, yeah, I did the formatting thing with my old 2011 laptop. It took literally ages. I mean, yeah, I'm not even exaggerating. It takes so long. It's ridiculous. Right, anyway. Right, is that the same key? I think that's the same one. Yeah, okay, right. I mean, honestly, this is my go-to ISO for installing 9X. I use it all the time, and it has never done that ever. Ever, ever, ever. So, I just don't know why it's decided to do that. I'm just going to try ME, just to see if this works. If not, then we may have to come back to this, because I don't think I have another ISO file for 98. I'm sure I don't. I think so. It just makes no sense, does it? Like, why would it randomly... Oh, I don't know. No, it's just not going to work. I have no idea why. No idea. Right, do I have any other way of installing 90? I don't think so. I don't think I do. I'll tell you what we could do, actually. I could, very quickly, try and download one from WinWorld and at the same time go and get some tea and tie it into a little break. Yeah, I could try that. Okay, let's do this. That's what Dominic is suggesting. Okay, because actually a Windows 98 ISO won't take long to download. Not from WinWorld, anyway. Shouldn't. So let's try this, actually. So WinWorld, okay, WinWorld library, Windows 98. We'll just get one of these. Let's go for first edition again. Why not? Got the product key already, so that's not a problem. Okay, so first edition. OEM 4. Okay, so this one. Download server 2. Sounds good to me. There it goes. Okay, literally 4 minutes is the ETA on this. So yeah, I'm going to be back very shortly. I'm just going to go very quickly refresh myself and make some more tea. In the meantime, hopefully, you can look forward to destroying Windows 98. I will see you very shortly. Two minutes left on the download. Okay, right. I am back. I am back. Sorry about that. I'm at that stage where I am feeling a little bit crazy. I don't know why this happens. This tends to happen after a while. Oh yeah, so I think it's because I'm a night owl, right? So the longer I'm awake, I tend to get, like, the longer I'm up, I get more awake. So by the time it gets to, like, now, which is 8:30 my time in the evening, I get a bit crazy. I'm at, like, my peak alertness. So anyway, let's check, actually. Is Windows 98 finished? Okay, there's 1 minute left. So in the meantime, are you ready for British snacks with Major Scar 17? Because I'm so excited about this. I mean, actually, this first one, I don't know if this is a British thing. But we've got Mint Imperials. Yeah. My little refreshment selection here. Is this an American thing as well? I don't know. I'm not sure. But I quite feel like one of these in a minute. So I'm going to have one of those. So yeah, very exciting. And then we also have another classic, which is Werther's Original. And these are amazing. And again, I think this is a British thing, but I'm not 100% sure. So, but yeah, I mean, these are really good, honestly. And then we also have definitely not a British exclusive thing. Dairy milk eggs. Look at this. Yeah. So I've got a nice little selection here. It's going to be so good. So yeah, that's my little snack selection, which is going over here. Isn't this great? When we're waiting for downloads to finish, you can get a little insight into my life. Yeah, this is literally Major Sky, British snacks. Dr. Frankenstein says we have those in Canada. Which ones? The Werthers. Oh, yeah, the Werthers, yeah. So, okay, so the Werthers are definitely like American as well, right? What about the Mint Imperials? Is that a British thing? Yeah, are these a British thing? I actually don't know. I mean, they're literally just like spherical shaped mints with a sugar, like a sugar shell on. And they're very Moorish. I don't know if that's a British thing or not. Oh, right, Windows 98 is finished. Let's extract this. Right, that is extracting. Oh, hi Sky, by the way. Where are my manners? I've literally just been reading Sky's comments and not actually thought, yeah, Sky's here. How was Sonic 2? Because Sky went to see Sonic 2 today. How was that? Right, so... Okay, got the Windows 98 ISO, that's here. Let's pop that there. Okay, right. What could possibly go wrong this time? Let's find out. Right, Windows 98 First Edition. Okay, I'm going to go back to the VM. Back to the VM. Let's try this again. Restart. Boot from CD-ROM. Because we've already formatted the hard disk. Ah, okay. Sky says Sonic 2 was great if you're a Sonic fan. I will have to go watch that then. I will. Right, so let's go to the setup, and I'm gonna skip that scan disk thing. I think is it /ls? I think so. Oh no, it must be /is, something like that. Never mind. Oh my gosh. One of these days, I'm going to be genuinely speechless. Don't you love Windows? Don't you love especially Windows 9X? It's just the pinnacle of stability, isn't it? Oh my gosh. Okay, right. Shall we try this again? Yeah, maybe let's try it without the arguments. Who suggested that? Yeah, Dominic. Yeah, it could have been that. Because I think I typed the wrong one in. So yeah, let's just try this and hope. Oh no. Now it's not even loading setup. Oh my gosh. Okay. One more time. I have a feeling. Third time lucky, I think. Third time lucky. Joke's on you guys. Windows is already destroyed. Oh, seriously. Right. Right. Come on. Third time lucky. It has to work this time. Okay. Setup. Look, I'm even letting it do scan disk this time willingly. No, it's not. It's just not going to work. It's not going to work. Oh my god, I don't even know what to say. I just don't know what to say anymore. No, Windows 98. No, it's not in the mood. It's literally not having it. It's already destroyed. We don't even need Back-again to do it. Oh no. Okay, right. Anyway, shall we try something else that might actually work? Oh my gosh. Right. Oh, hang on. So Dominic says, use the 3.x install disk to install DOS and CD-ROM support. Where is that? Have you sent me a link to it? I'm not sure where that is, Dominic. The disk that had 3.x and all the software. Oh, is it a disk that I had? I don't think I have that anymore. Don't think I have it. I'll check though. Let's have a look. I linked you to it. Let's have a look then. Windows 3. Oh yeah, I do have it. Yeah, I do. Okay, so right, so what are we doing? We're installing DOS and CD-ROM support, then use the install DOS to install 98. Okay, that's fine. I will try this. Restart the machine. Okay. Okay, let's give this a go. Right, so we want to start the MS-DOS setup. In fact, let's just format it as well, shall we? No, let's just do the setup. It's already formatted. Oh, okay. Right, let's do fdisk first then. Okay, let's do this. Delete the current partition first. Okay. Which it cannot recognize as a DOS partition. Okay, let's do that then. Yes. Delete. Yes. Okay, now create a new one. Yes. Right, so now we can start the setup, right? Okay, setup DOS, format drive. Okay. Yes. Oh no, what's going on here now? Formatting disk and drive X, setup disk 1. What? I'll tell you what I might do. The only time I've used this before, I have chosen the option that installs 3.1 as well. I think I'm just going to do that. Because I have no idea why it's now asking for a disk, because it's all on this one image, so it shouldn't need a separate disk. So let's just do all of this. Let's do this. Format, quick install, all done, hopefully. Yes. We'll install one. Right. Right, restart, okay. But we want to restart from the actual hard disk this time, so let's do that. From hard disk, restart. Yeah, Dominic, I'm just going to do it this way because I have a feeling this would give me fewer problems. Hopefully. He says as it gets stuck on high mem is testing extended memory. Oh no, please don't do this. Windows, don't do this. Or DOS, please don't do this. Oh, actually, I don't know. I seem to remember this is normal. I think this happened before. I think this happens in VMware with MS-DOS 6. I think you just got to literally wait for a minute. It just takes ages. Yeah, Sky has just said that. And hello, by the way, to Miss V Heaven, who, by the way, little fact for you, is my sister. My sister is in chat, so hello to my sister, who's joining us live. Someone made a joke recently on the Discord server about a family, like a family Major Sky 17 stream. Well, there you go, look. We could do a combined stream, sibling stream. So yeah, Bethan, who's my sister, would you like to tell us some of your memories of Windows 98 and how amazing it was? As we wait for this to hopefully carry on and get past this part that it's stuck on. Has anyone been keeping a tally of all the problems we've had so far? What error is this one? So my sister says, yeah, and this is true, Windows 98 was such a big part of both of our histories. Yeah, it was. And yeah, I did fall in love with it. Of course, and then went on to start a Windows channel, as you do. Yeah. But obviously, we're old, right? For you youngsters that started with XP or Vista, I'm guessing for a lot of people, you'd feel probably the same way that we felt about Windows 98 when you're very young. I don't know, like things that you like when you're a child mean a lot to you later in life, don't they? Like you tend to latch on to things, as we all have with Windows in some way, whatever version it was. Okay, Dominic says turning it off, reduce the RAM, and then turn it on again. There wasn't that much RAM though, was there? I think it was only 512 megabytes. Let's put it down to 128 then. And try again. Hello to Solar Strike, who is back. Thanks for rejoining. And my sister says that she has fond memories of me in my bedroom being a geek. That sounds true. I'm sure we can all relate to that one. Oh no. I seem to remember, I'm sure I checked about this high mem thing before, and I'm sure it's to do with the version of DOS that's installed. And I just have a feeling, you know, this is not going to work. It's not, is it? Look, it's not. What else could we try? I think I have... Do I have separate DOS disks? I could maybe try that. Right, 1 minute. Let's see what other options we have. Okay, those are 3.1 install disk. Okay, MS-DOS. Okay, I actually have separate MS-DOS disks that I could try. Let's try this. Although I think these are floppy images, aren't they? Yeah, they are. Right, so hold on. Let's add a floppy drive. Right, I'm going to add a floppy drive. Try installing DOS from the floppies. Okay, let's try it this way. I feel like we at least have to get Windows 98 installed. Right. Otherwise, we haven't really succeeded, I don't think. So let's try doing this. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Install there, yeah. Right, insert the next disk. That's that one. Did I just choose the wrong disk? Oh, it's because that was the CD drive. That's why. That is why. Okay, choose floppy image. Okay. And the last disk. That is that one. Now this time I'm not going to curse anything. I'm not going to mention anything going wrong or anything having the capacity to go wrong. Everything should work perfectly. Let's just take that disk out. Okay, let's just see if we get stuck on this again. Nope, I think it's going to get stuck on the same thing. Okay, Dominic did have a step-by-step thing to try though, so let's actually have a look at this as well. This may work. Okay, so right, let's do this. Change RAM to 256 megabytes. Okay, I'll do that now. Okay. Boot into the disk. Okay. Let's do that. I'm gonna go back to here, and it's this disk. Okay. Connect. Restart from CD. Right, so now what we're doing, format the drive. So just format, okay. Yeah. Restart, install DOS, okay. So now we want to start the DOS setup. Okay. Yeah, okay, done that. Install the CD-ROM support. Okay, then restart, then eject the disk. Okay. Right. So now we can try installing Windows 98, right? Okay, let's try this again then. So, Windows 98 First Edition. Okay, that is in the drive. Restart from CD. Okay. Boot from CD. Were you using VMware when you did this, Dominic? Okay, so then D setup. Nope. Not going to work. It is not going to work. I think one last thing we could try is I might actually have a Windows 3.1 virtual machine that we could hook up to VMware and then upgrade from it. Let me see, do I still have that? No, I don't actually. But maybe we could try that. If we install 3.1 first, we could try upgrading to Windows 98. Maybe. Maybe let's try that. Dominic says boot from hard drive. Oh yeah, I'm being stupid. Why did I do that? Why did I not do that, Dominic? I don't know. Yeah, you're right. Boot from hard drive. Why did I not do that? That was the whole point in what you explained doing, isn't it? Oh dear. It's because I don't usually have to boot from the hard drive to install Windows 98. That's why. Yes, thanks for that. Let's actually try that. We'll try doing it that way this time. That would actually make sense. I've got bad news though. Booting from hard drive, we get stuck at the same screen. We're stuck here again. I'm sure, you know, that when I had this problem before, whatever VM I was setting up, I Googled it and found a solution, but I can't remember what the solution was. But it was definitely a common problem. Let's have a quick look. Yeah, somebody says it literally for them. It took about 5 minutes. Literally 5 minutes. Ooh, this might have been it. Okay, set the compatibility settings for the virtual machine to a different option. Okay, I'm going to try this. Right, let's shut this down a minute. So let's go to compatibility settings and let's put it all the way back to the oldest that we can actually use. So version, what is that version? You need to upgrade VMware tools before you. What is this on about? That's not right. Okay, hang on. Let's go here. This was set to an old compatible. Yeah, okay, version 6. Okay, right. I'm going to try using a different VM that I already have set up to use compatibility settings for older hardware. Let's give this a go. So Windows 98 First Edition, connect. Okay, let's just check the RAM is fine. I want to put this on 256 megabytes. Okay. Right, restart from CD. Boot from CD. I'm just going to quickly check that this is actually going to work before I even bother changing all my OBS settings so you can see it. I'm just going to quickly run setup and see if it gives the same error or not. Let's find out. The setup. I need to format the drive. Forgot about that. Let's do that now. And yeah, I may as well show you this because it's going to take a minute or two. Right, let's just capture the right window. So it is this one. Right. So just running fdisk, then I'll do format, and then I'm not going to say hopefully it'll work, but it may or may not work on this VM. Let's find out. This has compatibility settings to older hardware. So it may be less likely to give an error, like a random error. Hopefully. Famous last words. Right, boot from CD. Okay. Right. Then we want to go to format. Why is this format command not there? Setup. Maybe I did it already, did I? No, why can I not format from this then? Oh, right. Let's go to the other disk to do the format and then come back to this one. This is so fun, isn't it? Isn't this fun? Isn't Windows so fun? Right, I'm going to go here, do the format, then go back to the other disk. Okay, what could possibly go wrong? I'm determined that we're going to install Windows 98. Okay, format C drive. Yes, we'll do that here. Right. Okay. Perfect. Format, yes. Just ignore the horrendous beeping. Does anyone ever get the feeling that Windows actively tries to stop you installing it? Right. Now, we start from CD. Okay, let's see if this actually gets us anywhere else. Boot from CD. Start with CD-ROM support. Okay. Need more coffee. So what was I doing? I was going to set up. Okay, the setup. No, it just will not work. No, it literally will not. Oh dear. How have I got 98 installed previously then, if it refuses to? I have no idea how I've managed to do that in the past on VMware, because I have. Right. Windows 98. Today, you have won, but you won't win every time. Just to let you know, so watch out next time. But yeah, today, 98, fine. You have a day off. We will move on. We'll move on to Windows 2000. So let's do this. So I have a 2000 ISO. I have never had any issues installing Windows 2000 in a virtual machine. Just for the record. So if anything goes wrong, again, it will be a first time, which would be very suspicious. Right. Let's just give this 512 megabytes of RAM. Okay. There we go. Okay. Startup disk, CD-ROM. Right. Boot from CD. Yes. Okay, so let's give Windows 2000 a go. And I think automatically we've got a better chance here because Windows 2000 is Windows NT, which is automatically more stable than Windows 98. Right, so let's just delete this because we don't need that anymore. So yeah, delete partition. Yes. Okay, set up partition here. NTFS file system. Look at that. How simple was that with Windows 2000? That took literally 5 seconds. And now it's installing. Just for the record, would anyone at some point after the stream, or now if you like, just find out how much time we spend trying to get Windows 98 installed, and let's just compare that to how long it's going to take to install Windows 2000. And I'm prepared literally to jinx this now by saying this. I'm not even going to question the fact that Windows 2000 will install without problems. because I've never had any problems with Windows 2000. So, there we go, I said it. 42, Sky says 42 minutes, really? Oh my gosh. Dominic, I've already added extra RAM. It's on 512 megabytes now, so we should be good to go. All goes well. And do you know what the best part about this is going to be, guys? Seeing the Windows 2000 boot screen, because it's the best one. I love this. Right, let's restart this. Why is it booting from the CD now? That was my fault. That was just me being stupid. We don't need to do that. Restart. Okay. Right, here we go. Are you ready? Is everyone ready for this? Look at this boot screen. I love it. It's just so jolly and bright. Doesn't this just say to you, welcome to the future? That's what it says to me. Welcome to a stable operating system. Which if you've been using Windows 98, you won't be used to. Oh my gosh. Here we go. Right, look. Now, look. How easy was that? Compared to 98. It's just not... It literally is a night and day difference. It's incredible. So yeah, everyone enjoy the 2000s graphics here. Enjoy it. So yeah, this is, if you've never seen this, this is the Windows 2000 setup process. It's very exciting, isn't it? Very corporate. Doesn't it just, it reeks of getting the job done. No frills. Dominic, you keep reminding me about bumping up the RAM, but I've done it already. It's on 512 megabytes of RAM already. Hello to Max Mushroom, thank you for joining. And Ezio, thanks for joining. So yeah, Windows 98, don't think we've forgotten you, because we're going to come back to you next time we do this. So you haven't got away. You can have the night off this time, but we're coming back to you. Hello to Alex, thank you for joining. So we're just currently installing Windows 2000, which to be fair, is probably one of the rarer versions of Windows. I mean, not a lot of people would have used this a lot. It was very quickly superseded by Windows XP. But just for the record, and this is not, obviously this is not just my opinion, this is fact. This is one of the greatest versions of Windows. It literally is. Like everything, the name, the branding, the stability, the compatibility. And if it weren't for the fact that Windows XP came out a year later, I'm pretty sure that a lot of people would have been using this for a lot longer than they actually did. But obviously XP was just like another level completely. But yeah, without that, I think Windows 2000 would have probably lasted a little bit longer than it did. Sky says XP was just 2000 with themes, with a themes service. I mean, yeah, kind of. Pretty much was, wasn't it? Before the service packs. Bobby says, hi, I love your videos. Thank you, I'm glad you enjoy them. Windows 95 says, thanks for being here, by the way. I'm honoured with your presence. Windows 2000 was actually my first Windows, and also the reason why I now have Windows brain rot. See, it's true, isn't it? Everyone has a version that gets you hooked for some reason. For me and my sister, it was 98. For Windows 95, there, it was Windows 2000. For a lot of people, it would have been XP. So yeah, actually, I mean, thinking about this, and obviously let me know what your opinion is, I think Windows 2000 probably would be, nowadays, I'd say the oldest version where you could realistically get everyday stuff done, I want to say. Like, you can definitely still, for example, do web browsing on XP. You know, you can look at YouTube videos and stuff with certain browsers like MyPal. I'm pretty sure that you could also do that on 2000 still. Because you can also get tools for Windows 2000 that actually let it run some Windows XP programs that don't otherwise work. So you've also got that little extra bit of compatibility through, you know, tweaking, hacking stuff. So Alex says they have to go, but thank you very much for joining. Hope to see you again. Sky, yeah, that is a good point. If you weren't bothered about internet browsing, then yeah, you could even use older versions, couldn't you, if it was just literally like office stuff that you needed to do. Although I guess maybe like printers might be a problem if you wanted to print something. Right, how are we doing with Windows 2000? That took a while, actually, didn't it, that bit? Bobby says, if you had a copy of Windows Blackcomb, what would you do with it? Well, firstly, I'd be really excited, and secondly, I would just literally rip it to an ISO file and stick it on Beta Archive or somewhere online for everyone to have a delve into. Solar Strike says the Dune movie script writer famously writes his scripts on WordPerfect 3 on DOS. Really? Wow. I mean, you could, couldn't you? Why not? I mean, with word processing, you can't really go wrong, can you? Like, you could probably... I mean, Windows 1 you could word process on, couldn't you? So... I think Windows 2000 is almost finished, but it needs to get a move on because I've almost drunk all my coffee now. I'm going to have to get another refreshment. Ah, Nova, this reminds me. It's not my birthday, but today is the anniversary of Windows XP's end of support, which was the 8th of April 2014. So that's kind of interesting. That feels like that happened really recently, but that's actually quite a long time ago now, isn't it? 2014. What's that, 8 years ago? 8 years ago. Yeah, Windows XP end of support was 8 years ago. Just think about that for a minute. The end of support for XP was 8 years ago. It was released like what, 21 years ago. And yeah, I'm Sword King said, yeah, Vista end of support, that was 5 years ago. Yeah, 7, that was over, well, that's like over 2, is that over 2 years ago now? 2 years ago? Was it January 2020? I'm sure it was. Windows 7 end of support, I can't believe that. Can't believe that. Yeah, 2 years, over 2 years. Unless you pay for the extended support, of course. In fact, the only, apart from 10 and 11, which are obviously quite modern, the only version of Windows left that is supported, the desktop version anyway, is 8.1, isn't it? And that's going to end next year. I'm sure that's 2023. There's going to be none left. Right, let's restart this. Right. There we go. Look at that. Windows 2000, no problems. It just got it. It got the job done. Why does it keep trying to restart from the CD though? I don't know. Right, here we go. So right, here we go. Nice 16 colors. Love that. Really retro, isn't it? Oh no. And there it was. Yes, you're right. Your ears did not deceive you. That was the best Windows startup sound ever. And again, that's definitely not my opinion. That is a fact. That's like a law of the universe. Right, so yeah, we're going to really enjoy this. This is Windows 2000 in 16 colors. It's going to be great. Ah, look at this. Well, let's turn this off. Right, now actually, do VMware tools work with Windows 2000? Because that could be helpful. Maybe, I'm not sure. I'm sure they do. Yeah, okay, right, let's install these, because this will mean that we'll get nicer colors. Everything Windows says, the startup sound gave me a heaven vibe. I mean, it's just so good, isn't it? It's so, I don't know, it's just so positive and happy. Can you imagine booting into Windows 2000 every day if you're at work or something? It would just make you instantly feel happy and jolly. Right, so yeah, we'll install this. Now I'm going to go back to my handy dandy notes that Dominic sent to me that I've printed, because I assumed that there were going to be technical problems. And wow, it's just set it at a gigantic resolution. I'm definitely not keeping it like this. Let me put this down a little bit. That is ridiculous. Let's just go back to a sensible one. Like literally 1024 by 768. Yeah, that's fine. Oh no, why does it keep changing it? Oh, I know. I need to change the settings here. Oh, let's do this. Where is it? Display. Right, I just want to have this stretched. Okay. Yeah, this is way too high a resolution for a stream, isn't it? Let's just go for a good old standard 1024 by 768. Look at that. Perfect. Right, so again, I'm going to use my step-by-step instructions from Dominic that I will probably not follow correctly because I tend to do that. Let me just put the files back in here. So, okay, done that. Here we go. I just don't know what it is, but I miss it when Windows looked like this. Do you know what I mean? When everything just looked simple, without any frills, and it was just simple. Right, so here is our folder. So yeah, now I'm going to actually follow what Dominic said. So Windows 2000, okay. So install VMware tools, done that. Go into step 1 to 3, Windows 2000, okay, that's here. Install 7-zip. Install, okay. Go into install.nets and extract the .nets zip. Extract here. Johnny says Windows Classic for the win. I mean, literally, it's just so good. It just, I don't know, it's just simple and effective. Dr. Frankenstein says, I wish you could still just turn the theming off Windows 10. Yeah, like, I wish you could still do that and get the classic theme back. Okay, so run first and install it. Okay, that's fine. Then run second and install that. See, I'm doing pretty well this time, aren't I, Dominic? I'm following the instructions. I'll do that. In the meantime, why don't we do some customization here? Just for the fun of it. Let's have a look at these retro wallpapers. Coffee bean, this is a good one. Love that. What else? Gone fishing. Nice. Let's see, what do I feel like? Rhododendron? Nah, that's a bit boring. Soap bubbles? Not really. I think I'm going to have to go with the good old Windows 2000 wallpaper. Let's do that. Windows 2000. Yes, you may turn on the active desktop. I wonder how long that'll actually work for. Anyone got any ideas? Not long. Let's change this. Windows Classic. Yeah, that's better than Windows Standard. Right. Right, that's that done. Okay, let's go to second and install this. Solar Strike says, now I'm going to throw 2000 on my P3 system. Do it! Do it! Dominic, I didn't forget to untile it. I did that on purpose, you know. I'm being serious. It's like, I did. I did this on purpose. Look, it kind of works when it's tiled. Yeah, kind of. Apart from maybe that bit there where it looks obvious. But otherwise, it kind of looks all right, doesn't it? Tiled. Right, what are we doing after we install this? So go into step 4, extract the back again and zip and then run. Okay, so this is basically all we have to do. Then we're going to go back to step 4, which is there, and extract this. Extract here. I'll just do that now. Right, is this finished yet? It's taken ages. Everything Windows says, oh no, you did it on purpose. Yes, I did. Shoot me. Someone shoot me. I tiled it on purpose. I don't think that's not... People are not fans of that, are they? Sky doesn't like it either. Sky is just saying it in a non-confrontational way by saying, the wallpaper looks nice centered. Just like giving me a little hint. Oh dear. Right. Right, I think we're done. I think we're done. Let's do this. Oh no, this is not a good sign, is it? Right, wait, did I miss something? Go and step 4, extract, run the back again. No, that's it. Dominic, what did I do? What did I do something wrong here? Okay, nobody panic, this always happens. Right, we know what we're doing. Yeah, I don't know. What, have I missed something? Oh, .NET 2 failed to install, did it? I clearly wasn't paying attention. Let's try that again. Yeah, I'll try it again. If it doesn't work this time, I'll restart the machine and then try it again. I hope no one's got anywhere to be, have they? Because this might take a while. I mean, it's taken a while already, to be fair. I mean, I have said this before, but in case you're new, the live streams are meant to be quite relaxed compared to the videos, right? Like, they're not meant to be scripted or anything. It's meant to just be you hanging out with me, basically, and just at the same time messing around with Windows. So hopefully you enjoy that if you're here. If not, then I'd say just wait for the regular videos. In the meantime, would anyone like a Werther's Original? Anyone? Can I offer you one of these? Help yourself. There's loads here. Don't be shy. Solar Strike, you may help yourself. Anyone? There you go. They're so good. Especially when you're waiting for things to install. It just distracts you for a little bit. Apologies in advance for any mouth sounds that might happen. So wait, why is this not working? I don't know. I actually have a copy of the .NET framework for Windows 2000. Let me see if I can find the copy I have and just see if that helps. Let's have a look. Windows 2000. I have a massive folder full of Windows 2000 stuff. Windows 2000. Okay. Let's have a look. Oh, it might be here actually. .NET. Where is that? There. Right. I wonder if it will let me drag this into the VM. I have the tools installed, so this may work. Let's see. Yeah, let's try this. If not, then another thing that I could try is Windows 2000. Oh, where is it? Windows 2000 Unofficial Service Pack 5. I don't know whether that might be an idea. Dominic says restart. Okay, I will do that. I'm just waiting for this to copy over, then I'll restart it. Right, let's restart first. Apologies about the chewing, by the way. Okay, let's try this again. Pancake Sparkle says, built on new technology. Yeah, you're right. Johnny also has his fair share of snacks on hand. What snacks do you have? And everything Windows has donuts. What sort of donuts? Sky says untile the wallpaper. Okay, if it means that much to you, I'll untile it. There you go. Look, you can still see the edge. Oh, you mean like stretch it? Stretch it? Oh yeah, that is quite nice, I suppose. As long as it's not too stretched. Right. Did this happen last time? I don't remember. It definitely got to this bit, didn't it? Let's see. What do we think? Are we going to make progress this time? In the meantime, would anyone like one of these Cadbury's Dairy Milk eggs? No, look, it's not going to work. Okay, let's try the version I have here. Who knows? This might work. But yeah, can I interest anyone in an egg when you weigh in? Here you go, look. There's not actually that many in here, but help yourself. Right, let's try this. That's pretty good. Might just try another one of these just to make sure. Dominic, what makes you think that my ISO is modified? This is a completely genuine ISO of Windows 2000. I actually bought a copy of Windows 2000 to unbox on the channel, and it got lost in the posts, and it never turned up. I don't know what happened to it. Yeah, that's my sad story for the day. It disappeared. That's not working. What about we try installing these updates first? Unofficial Service Pack 5. This would install all the updates that came out after Service Pack 4. Maybe, do we need any of these? Probably not. Oh no, now I can't stop eating these eggs. There's only 4 left already. I've only had 2. That's not good enough, is it? Let's see if this helps. You never know, because it's Windows. Everything Windows. There's no official Service Pack 5, but there are different versions of these unofficial Service Pack 5s where people have just put the updates together that came out after Service Pack 4. Max Mushroom says, I wasn't looking at the webcam, but I'm just imagining you're eating whole boiled eggs in one bite. I mean, maybe that could be my party trick. Eggs are good for you though, aren't they? I mean, actual, like, chicken eggs, not these ones. So why not? Knock yourself out. Okay. Now, nobody say anything about the fact that this might help, because if we say anything, we'll jinx it and it won't work. So, I don't think this is going to help at all. Right. At least we get to hear the startup sound again. Right, now what do we think? Shall I try this now? I'm kind of scared. A little bit scared about this. No. What is it looking for? mscore.dll. Okay, why don't we download this? Why don't we just download this file and put it there? Then it can't complain about it. Am I right? mscore.dll. Let's just try this. We've got nothing to lose at this point, have we? So let's give this a go. Right. Let's see. Download. Right, we want a 32-bit version. This website is really confusing. I don't know why. Okay, no, that's too confusing. MS Core. Okay. DLL file download. Yes. Right, let's see. Version 2? Sounds good to me. I'm just gonna try this. Okay, extract. I mean, honestly, I hope no one minds this, because at this point, I'm just willing to try anything to get this to work. I'm not really too bothered, but it'll be kind of fun to try and get it to work. Right, let's drag this into the virtual machine. Right, now where did it want this file to go? It wants it in... Oh, it can be in the desktop. Okay, well, it's there now. Oh, no! It knows that we haven't installed the framework properly. Oh, no. Well, it was worth a try, wasn't it? Well, that's not going to work then. Okay. Why don't we try it one more time now that we've installed the unofficial Service Pack 5? What about... We could try one of these, actually. What about Service Pack 2? Does that work on 2000? Surely it does. Yeah? I'm excited. The anticipation's killing me. Why have I suddenly got a cough after I've eaten those eggs? Oh, yes! Oh, Dominic, will that work? Will Service Pack 2 be okay? Yeah? Solar Strike is asking how I got this folder. I collected them all myself. I'm happy to share it. Remind me in the Discord server, and I'll share a link. Because, yeah, it's really useful, actually. Although I don't think these ones should still be here, because... I don't know why they're there. Because I put them into these 32-bit, 64-bit folders. Right, are we ready? Let's try giving this a go, yeah? Yes, it actually works. We did it. We actually did it. Oh my god, I love Windows 2000. I just love it so much. I mean, suffice to say, that would never have happened on 98. It would have done anything to not let that work. Okay, well, let's go. Oh, Dominic, do I know this password? Is it the same as the password I already know? Maybe I should follow the instructions. Let me just check. What does it say here? Windows 2000, la la la. The password is the zips password. Okay, so it's the same. Don't press enter after entering the password, as it'll hit exit now. Okay. Right, let's go. I like the Windows 2000-esque progress bar. Nice. Right, so now I'm assuming I press start patch, yeah? What does it say here? Okay. Oh, wait, am I not disconnected from the internet? Ah, that was very helpful, Dominic. Wait, I've done that, though. Oh, there we go. Okay. Hello to Void Pointer, thanks for joining. And British Geek Guy, thank you for being here. And great timing, actually, because you're both here just as we finally managed to get this to work on Windows 2000, and you're about to see it. Like, that was brilliant timing. Folders. Did I do that? Sharing. Yeah, they're not enabled anyway, so it'll be fine. Right. Solar Strike says turn off the stream music. I will do that now. For added effect. For some reason, I'm really excited about this, and I think it's because it's Windows 2000. I have never experienced Windows 2000 being unstable about anything, so this is going to be really weird. Dominic, the volume is maxed. It's maxed. Okay, right. Again, we've got a lovely retro color scheme. Love that. Why are there spinning bananas? Am I missing something here? Is that just a random thing? Okay. Right. Wow, dancing system tray. I love that. Okay, right. So what's going on here? Bouncing mouse again. I like that. Well, why don't we try and open a let's try and do Solitaire, actually. Yeah, that was fun. Programs. I think, do we have to install the games? I don't think the games come installed on Windows 2000, do they? I think it's an optional feature. Am I right? Why has it moved my taskbar? What on earth? Or did I just do that myself? Where's my start button gone? Okay, accessories. Yeah, the games are not installed by default, are they? Well, that's annoying. Dominic and everyone else, I appreciate that these are Among Us sounds, but I have never played that game ever. I've never played it. I don't really play mobile games, so no, I don't know what they are. I only know that they are from that game because everyone's mentioning it. So no, sorry, I don't know them. Where have I seen this icon spinning thing before, Dominic? I've seen that somewhere. I recognise that. Oh, okay. Velkerman is playing in the background. It's very quiet. Can I make... Hang on. Can I actually make... I think I may be able to increase this volume, you know, with this app that I have here. I can do a volume overdrive. Yeah, very exciting. There we go. Enjoy the 400% volume, guys. And yeah, now I can hear Velkerman in the background. Nice touch. That's so relaxing. Is it louder for everyone else now, or was it just louder for me? Why does Velkerman sound so good? It even sounds good when it's slowed down. It's amazing. Well, I was going to play Solitaire, but I guess I can't unless I can get to control panel. Let's have a go. Control panel, add and remove programs, and then we want to go to optional features and install the games. Add, remove Windows components. Why can I not click this? Why? Oh no, don't do this. Why can I not click anything? Dominic, what have you done? I blame you. I blame you for this. My add, remove programs window is not working. Oh, is it this? Close the dialogue. Spacebar, right? Oh, thanks, Dominic. Look, I'm learning. I'm learning now. I remember space. Space presses the buttons. Right. So, add, remove Windows components. Come on, I've clicked this loads of times. Why is it not letting me? I appear to not be able to add or remove components, unfortunately. Open Rain, thank you for joining. Open Rain says the stream keeps buffering. Is that true? Is anyone else having buffering? I can't see any on my end. Oh, my dream of playing Solitaire. How did I manage to open Internet Explorer, or did that just open anyway? Okay, let's blow all these windows up then, since I now know how to do that. This is kind of fun, actually. Right, let's get rid of that. Can I still go to start? Yes, I can. Oh, these bouncing windows. Let's see, what else can I do? Oh, Dominic is asking about the status thing here. Where this is, yes, this is a nice idea. It is. Gives you a bit of anticipation. Oh, is that error box why this is not working? It is, isn't it? Oh, that would make sense, actually. Makes sense. Have I noticed something missed from the start menu? The Windows 2000 banner is missing? Or do you mean here? Oh, you mean run. Run is missing. So wait, let's see. What programs can we actually open then? Can we open anything? No, because now it's empty. Oh, okay. I see. I see what's going on here. Okay, how about we get rid of all these windows? Okay, no, go away. I want to go to search. Close. Okay, let's go to search. Can we search for exe files? Oh, that's looking in the wrong folder, so that's not going to help. Is anyone else having buffering problems, by the way? Because OpenRain mentioned buffering on the stream. Anyone? Sky says no. Yeah, hopefully it's not on my end. Well, I'm trying my best to be able to search the hard drive for executables here, but this is actually really difficult because all the windows keep bouncing. Okay, maximize. This would be a really good time to remember what the keyboard shortcuts are for search and stuff, wouldn't it? So, I don't think that's going to work, you know. Let's do it this way instead. Okay, so how about... I mean, look, there are loads of executable files here. Okay, how about let's go into here. Show files. Why? Just let me click this. There we go. Okay, right. Let's... What about Paint? MS Paint. I mean, I could just open one of these, couldn't I, actually? Let's do that. There we go. Look, I opened Paint. Nobody panic. What about Notepad? Well, Notepad's not opening. That's worrying. But Paint opens. Why does Notepad not... Oh, okay. Notepad is in. Okay, what else? Let's see. Welcome. That's not really that interesting. What else? So what's in System 32 on here? I forgot. Show files. This is not a good sign. Why is it having trouble loading System 32? Oh no. Oh dear, that's not good. Right, let's see. What have we got in here that might be interesting? Phone dialer. Anyone for phone dialer? CD player, that's a throwback. Let's see what else. Dr. Watson classic DVD player. Classic. Free Cell. I can't really play Free Cell. Oh yeah, let's Solitaire. Solitaire will be here, won't it? Oh, well, I'm excited now. Right, let's find Solitaire. Sol. Where's Sol? Oh no, it's not here. Oh, it's there. I was really panicking then. Oh no, it's not opening. Solitaire's not opening. I'm very upset about that. Right, let's close this. Close. Yeah, close. You can remain open because you might be useful in a minute. Oh, my start menu's back. Dominic, what's the significance of the time that's allowed before Windows restarts? Is that just a random time that you've chosen? What on earth is this? What is this? This looks like the Metro Horizon that we were talking about the other day. Oh, okay. Dominic chose the time. Yeah, Dominic, why is there a Windows 8 style immersive background thing here? Ooh, I like that. That's kind of mesmerizing. I would Alt F4 it, but I don't remember what the keyboard combination is for Alt F4 on VMware. Because it's not Alt F4. Maybe it might be Command Alt F4. Let's try this. F4. Yeah, it's Command Alt F4. Okay. Well, I'm very upset that Solitaire doesn't work, I must say. That's very upsetting. Okay, Dominic, these stream notes I'm going to keep for the next time we do this, and we're going to have a look at some of the other versions. After 2000, I'm going to have to stop, though, because it's already been 3 hours. Right. So anyway, guys, shall we have a little catch-up when we're waiting for this to destroy itself? Would anyone like a Mint Imperial? They're delicious and nutritious. Anyone? Mint Imperial, anyone? I mean, I don't know whether these are a British thing, but what makes me think they're British is the name, because it just sounds very British, doesn't it? Mint Imperial. But that could just be me. Right. Right. What's going on? Are actual files being removed on the hard drive, or are these just kind of false errors? Wow, a kind of a moment of normality, almost. How very odd. Let's see. I love the fact that that one's autoexec.exe. Is that just to try and hide itself? Make it look less conspicuous. What's this? Madonna? Oh, no. Dominic! I'm not going to read that one out. And I'm also not going to click it. I don't know why I said Don. It's not your fault, is it? But yeah, I think we'll probably best just leave that one for the imagination. Yeah, sorry, Dominic. I know it's not you, is it? It's one of the viruses. I apologise. Oh, spoiler, they're 0-byte files. Just in case anyone wanted to actually watch it. Okay, that's good to know. That's really good to know. Honestly, because... let's just not go there. Let's not go there. So anyway, my lovely desktop background that I set has disappeared, which is very upsetting. Can I set a new one? Why am I finding it so hard to click on stuff? Maybe because everything's bouncing. Okay, let's go to... Oh, what on earth have I done? My computer. Display. That's not working. Never mind. Yeah, I don't know how have I just made a docked toolbar? I don't even know. I don't know. Who knows? Look at all this rubbish down here. Why am I finding it so hard to click stuff? Why can't I change my wallpaper? Okay, what about if I go into WinNT and then let's just find an image. Can we set it this way in 2000? I actually can't remember. Could we do it this way? Oh no, right click. I don't even have a right click key. Good old Mac keyboards. Oh, okay. Oh, do I have to open it with Kodak imaging or something? This is very... This is just very... I don't even know what to say. Kodak imaging. Where, okay, where is that? Is that in this folder? Kodak imaging. What's the executable called for Kodak imaging? Because I don't remember. Anyone? Can you set wallpapers on Paint? No, I don't think you can. I don't even know if you can from Kodak imaging. I'm just guessing here. Oh, set as wallpaper. Yes. Yes. No, go back to the file menu. Set as wallpaper. Oh, no, please. Let me click this. Did I do it? I don't think so. Oh, no. Alt F. What? So Alt F. Did I do it? I don't know. I mean, I don't even think it's going to work, is it? Even if I did. So, I mean, really, I've just made this even more messy than it already was, really, haven't I? Somehow I've made a My Documents toolbar, which is just floating on the desktop, which is really annoying and distracting. Oh dear. Oh dear. Right, I think that's enough snacks for now anyway. I'm going to save the rest of these for after I've had my food, which I haven't had yet. But that's okay, because I am a night owl anyway, so I can eat. I can eat at 10 o'clock, that's fine. That is fine. Right. Has anyone been here for the whole stream yet, by the way? Johnny, I think Johnny has. Have you been here all stream, Johnny? I'm sure you have. Or most of it, anyway. And obviously Dominic has. Right, so I think... Sorry, I'm really bad at multitasking. I'm trying to send a message at the same time and it doesn't work. I think, yeah, let's wait for the countdown for round 1. And then if it survives to round 2, then I think we should let round 2 happen as well. But then when 2000 finally dies, assuming that it will die, then I think we'll save the other windows for a different stream. We'll come back to this. Otherwise, it's going to be really long, this one. And I have to go and eat. So, Would anyone like... Are you ready for Major Sky 17 news? Breaking news? Actually, this is from 2 hours ago, but I've only just seen it. Will Smith is barred from the Oscars for 10 years, apparently. Right. How are we doing with time anyway? Where's the... Are we out of time? The countdown has gone. Right. Sky, yeah, I mean, I think it's just because everyone saw that, didn't they? But yeah, I mean, the stuff that goes on that we don't see or know about is incredibly worrying. And that's just a whole other level, isn't it? Ah, okay. Yeah, Major Sky 17 news, Johnny. I might start a new channel. New sub-channel. Yeah, breaking news stories. Probably not. I'll leave that to the professionals, I think, to handle news. Anyway... What have we not talked about? Maybe the exciting channel news, yeah, that we've now got a team of people that are helping out with videos. So we're back to our 2 weekly live stream schedule starting today, and also starting next Friday, hopefully the 15th. Oh, actually, I may change this day depending on the outcome of the poll that I put up today, where I'm asking people what day they'd prefer for videos and live streams, out of Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. But assuming Friday wins, then what I want to do is have the videos go out and the streams happen on the same day, but on alternating weeks. So potentially next Friday, Saturday, or Sunday, finally you're going to see the 7880 video. It's actually being worked on, believe it or not. Now that I've got people to help me, and thanks, by the way. I don't know if any of the WoW team are here. Obviously Dominic's here, but yeah, thanks, because you have no idea how much it actually means to me, and I'm being really serious, because actually I find it really hard to find time to actually do all the stuff that goes along with making videos. So actually having people to actually help with some of that is going to be actually life-changing, and hopefully mean that we can actually get regular videos out as well, because the whole goal of the channel was always to cover all versions of Windows and go through all the available, well, not all the available builds, but you know, the significant builds for every version. And I mean, if we can't get regular videos out, then that's probably never going to happen, because it's going to take decades. So yeah, fingers crossed. Let's hope. Yeah. Oh, and Void Pointer's here, of course. Sorry, yeah, Void Pointer's here. Void Pointers can help with build footage. So yeah, again, thanks for that, because it's just really difficult for me to try and have time to actually do everything myself. Oh, Dominic, sorry, I wasn't paying attention. I think I just pressed close by accident. Oh, no, it's fine. It's fine. I have pressed end now. I think it's just having a moment. So, why do I keep hitting my microphone? I've been doing that all evening as well. Okay, end, yeah, end now. C. Win back again. Perfection.exe. Why am I finding that so funny? I don't know. Oh, God. Hello to Philip, by the way. Thanks for joining. You're just watching us destroying Windows 2000, which now has an incredibly horrible green colour scheme, which I'm not feeling. Right. There's no more end nows at the moment. Can I close anything else? Maybe this will help. I think I've done everything I can in terms of closing stuff. What else is open? Why do I keep going to my Mac tab switcher? That's not helpful. What else is open here? Notepad. Why? Why do I keep going to the Mac tab switcher? Muscle memory. Oh, well, the music stopped. Is that a good sign? Maybe. I don't know. End now, end now, end now. There we go. Look, progress. Cannot quit. What? Oh, I don't know why I found that funny. Cannot quit, but literally it's quitting anyway as we speak. Right. Why is this one window refusing to close? Maybe this one's important. Is it, Dominic? Close. Well, where do we go from here? I'm not sure. Why is this one? Why is there another one down here now as well? Oh no. Oh dear. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. This one won't quit. Dominic says Control Alt Delete. Okay. Task Manager. Right. Which one is the one that's not quitting though? Oh, can I just literally restart it? Can I just force it to restart? Shall I do this? Cannot quit. I mean, what on earth? Something's not quitting. Let's do this. Restart. Well, there you go. I think that is the answer as to whether it will get onto round 2 or not. We'll give it one more go just in case that was a blip. But I have a feeling that wasn't because it was inaccessible boot device. That sounds pretty severe. You know, oh, there you go. Look, that's it. We've destroyed it. 2000 is destroyed. Dominic says notice the bug check code. What? 7B. Should I know what this is? Oh, on my thumbnail. Oh, is it the same? Did I use the same one? Spooky. That's very spooky. It's almost like I had a premonition that this was going to happen. Isn't it? Anyway, it feels wrong now that that Velkman's not playing in the background at a lower pitch. I was so used to it. Now my life feels empty without that. Well, that was an experience, wasn't it? I think we can all agree. So, well done if you made it all the way through, like me. That was definitely a classic Windows on Windows stream in more ways than one, wasn't it? With plenty of errors, some of which we didn't want. But yeah, there we go. So yeah, as usual, I'm going to stick around for a few minutes in case anyone's got any last minute things they would like to attend to. But again, thank you very much for joining, and I'll keep everyone updated on the channel with what's happening in terms of if the days change in future. Obviously, I'll let you know. For the next stream, I'll probably put another poll up, and you'll be able to choose your favorite option for what we do next time. But more destruction will be one of those options. So just choose what you like. Philip says, I would like Windows 11 to be destroyed. If you go back to the beginning of the stream, we did that first, actually, before 2000. We did Windows 11. And yeah, Johnny made it to the end. I think Pancake Sparkle, I think you've been here the whole stream, haven't you, as well? So yeah. There we go. Anyone got any last minute questions or anything they want to talk about before I go? If not, I'm going to go and eat something because it's now 10:15 and I probably should eat something. Oh, and I have to do my Twitter fact as well. I've not done that yet. Well, Pancake, thank you for your dedication. It's much appreciated. Johnny says that I'm eating now. What are you eating? I don't even know what I'm going to eat. Martin says, which macOS version are you using? I'm using the latest beta version of Monterey at the moment. Dominic, you've not been here since 69 minutes before the stream. You know that. Very good, though. Very good. Very original joke there. I've never heard that one before. Shelly says, Windows 95. Probably next time we do a destruction stream. Dominic, can we do Windows 95? Or does it have to be 98? Oh, Dominic, I mean, if you have, I apologise. Did you time that perfectly just so that you could say that you'd been here for 69 minutes before it started? Yeah, I'm guessing. Oh yeah, and of course we have to do NT4 for void pointer, don't we? Yes, we do. Johnny says this was probably my first live stream for me after a long hiatus of not participating. Well, I'm glad you joined. Hopefully you found it entertaining. It's been quite a long one today, hasn't it? A bit longer than usual. Right, I think I'm going to go eat something. So thank you very much again if you have enjoyed the stream. I'm glad that you have been here because, again, I mean, doing this by myself would have been weird, especially on camera for no reason. So yeah, hopefully you've got some entertainment out of this on your Friday evening. And basically, yeah, stay tuned because hopefully, again, fingers crossed, we're going to have some exciting things happening on the channel. We're going to have some actual regular videos coming out finally, hopefully. Again, fingers crossed if all goes well. So yes, I will see you very soon. In fact, next week, again, if all goes well, I will see you in the video for build 7880. So yeah, until then, hope you have a good week, and I will see you all then.